Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to convert from one data type to another data types. We'll see about converting from the string to numbers, number to strings, and from boolean value to strings and boolean value to number. And let's see some of the inbuilt function in this video. Let's play the intro and move on to the coding part.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So I have written the notes for this particular video. From the 4th video to 8th video, I have written the notes in the same PDF itself. Please try to access this particular notes, and it is in the links in the below description. You can find the link to download the notes. So here you can see I have implicit explicit conversion and implicit conversion. Like in the explicit we have strings and numbers. In the implicit conversion, that means that automatically our JS will convert the string into numbers and numbers into the strings when I want to change the particular converting from the one type to another. So here, so you can see I have this particular stuff. Like let's see all those things inside the coding part. So I'll just come back to this particular folder. So I'll just create one more file. So I'll just create one more file inside my JS folder. So I'll just name it as js4.js file. So here I'll just come back to my index.html file. So I'll just make it as js4. So once I save this one, the JS file will access it. So now I'll just try to click onto the live server. So I'll just open the go live here. So here I'll just you can see I'll just click onto here. So you can see the JS file is getting opened. If I try to inspect, you can see I can see the particular conversion of the particular console over here. So now what I'll do here is I'll just tell console.log. So here I'll just tell welcome to my 4th tutorial. So if I just save this one, so you can say I'm getting welcome to my 4th tutorial. So let's see about the conversion from a particular number to string and a number like a string to numbers in this particular video. So if I just try to create one new folder, I'll just tell let my name is equal to Anis. So I'm just giving the particular name value here. So if I just tell console.log, so if I just try to print the name, you can see. So if I just tell a name in name, so if I see what is the type of the particular name over here, so you can see I'll be getting same output at name nice and a string. So you know how I can convert this one. Suppose I have a number. Suppose same thing I have a number. So I'll just tell let. So I'll just tell let num is equal to not the number I'll be putting inside a string over here now. So I'll just put these things inside the string. So then I'll try to print the particular console. So I'll just tell console.log. So now I want to convert the particular number into the string. So if I just first I'll just try to print the number, then I'll just put a comma. So if I just tell what is the type of this particular num, so obviously it will be a string. So now same if I copy this particular line down, so again I want to print the number. So now I want to print how? So first I need to print by using string function. So I'll just use a capital string string. Sorry, I want to convert the string to number, right? So I need to use a number function here. So I'll just tell number number. So if I just try to print like this the number, the particular string will be converted into the number value. So if I try to print the type of num, you can see it will be a string itself. So you can see first one I am getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see it is in the black color. So if the particular thing is converted into the number, so once it is converted into the number, so I am getting inside a number format, that is 1 2 3 4, and you can see the type is coming as a string itself. So if you want to convert the thing, everything inside the thing, again you want to give type is equal to number. So you need to give again like this. So you not to give like this. So if I just close the bracket, you can see now it will be coming type is NaN. So I'm getting type of the particular number is NaN because 1 2 3 4 5. So if I try to put like this in this particular fashion, if I save, so if I come here, I am getting NaN value. So even though the thing is inside a pretty proper number, so I don't know why it is coming like this. So if I just put it like this, so let me see what is the issue. So if I just save like this, so it is telling me not a number. So if I just come back here, so now let's see about the particular converting from the number to string. So if I just come back here, now if I just tell let, so I'll just tell let my, so I'll just tell my str is equal to, I'll just give some value here. So I'll just tell true here. So the my str I'll just give it as a true now. So now I want to give this particular inside a boolean value. So I want to give the boolean value like this. So I'll just tell console. So console.log, so I want to just print what is my str, then I want to print the particular type of my str. I want to print the type of my str. If I save this one, you can see here I'm getting that is a true and it is getting a boolean value. So now if I typecast the thing inside to string value, so if I want to convert into the string, so I want to just use a capital letter string string. So then whatever the value will be there, either a boolean value or anything, it will be converted into the string value. So same way, if I just try to here my num, I'll just give it as a num here. So I'll just give some number to 1278, some number I'll be giving. So I'll just convert the particular into the my str. Then I want to convert the string of, so I want to convert this particular variable that is a num inside in the form of a string 2. So I'll just copy this one. So if I just save this one, so if I just see, I'll just remove this one. So now we'll just try to print this much, the particular value. You can see all the things will be converted into the string. So you can see I'm getting that the num has been already declared. So the num has been already declared. So I'll just give it as a num1 here, so that I don't want so I'll just give it as a num1. So if I save, so you can see I'm getting the uncount num1 is not defined. So where is the, okay, sorry, num1. So if I just save this one, so you can see I'm getting true and a boolean. So before you can see the true is in the blue color, that means it is a boolean value. So now you can see it is in the black color. So that means the everything it is converted into a form of a string itself. So now if I try to print what is the type of it. So if I just try to print the type of, so I want to print the particular type of number 1, as well as I want to print the particular type of my str. So let me see whether it has changed to string or it is in the same boolean and the number value. So you can see it is coming in the number and boolean, because it is not going to change in the actual variable. It is just trying to if I just trying to change into the string, at that particular moment it will get changed. After that it will take the values of the variable itself. So if you want something to be done like that, I can just put it in this particular fashion. So I can convert, or I can just put like this inside the string, and I can just name it like this. So same thing, I'll just put it for the string over here, and I'll just close at the end. So now you can see it will be giving a, so if I just save this one, so I'm getting type number and a type boolean itself. So if I just save this one again, so you can see I'm getting number as well as boolean. So even I am not getting, if I try to typecast the particular value into the, if I just checking for the type, so it is not meaningful also, like no need of changing into the data types. So this is how you can do it for converting from a particular boolean value to a string value, as well as if you want to convert the number value to the string value, even you can do in this particular fashion. So if I just save this one, so I'll just see. So now next, let's see for the array. So for how it will work for the array, let me see. So I'll just tell let array is equal to, I'll just give you some 2-3 values. I'll just give some 3 values like this. Then I'll just tell console.log. So now I want to just print the array. So if I just type what is the type of this one, if I just tell arr, so you can see I'll be getting array. It is a type of a object. So you can see I'm getting type object over here. Suppose now I want to convert the particular array. So I want to convert the array into, so I want to convert into the string string. So I want to convert everything inside a string. So now for which I need to convert the string, so I want to convert the particular value to the string. So same thing, if I try to print, so same value after the converting into the string, if I save, you can see I'm getting, so before it was in the object format, now it is coming inside the 1 2 3 and in the string format. So this is how I can do it. So here you can see I am getting a type of number is not a number, even though I have given as a 1. If I just give it as a 1 2 3 here, so now what I'll do here is I'll convert the particular thing inside a number. So let it be like this itself. So I'll just remove this one. So I'll just remove like this. So now what I'll do here for, so what is the syntax error, something the syntax error is given. So it is overing, I need to close one more. So just save it. So now what I'll do here is, so I'll just tell num is equal to, I want to convert everything inside what into the number. So what I need to pass, I need to pass this num value. So the num value again I'm just changing to number. So if I try to print the type of number, I'll be getting a number here also. Even you can see here itself I'll be getting the type to number. So this one I'll try to do after this particular line of code. First let me see what is the original value. Then if I want to see the which is not there, so that after converting into the number the particular string value, if I try to see, you can see, so I'm getting some of the syntax error here. So what is the error? So here, okay, somewhere here 1 is closing over here, and type is so it is a closing over here, and console log is also closing perfectly. Okay, I have given the semicolons over here, the error has been went. So you can see here the number I have given as first I try to print the particular number. If I try to print, you can say I'm getting 1 2 3 as well as a string value. So as obviously the particular thing is in the form of a that is a string, so the thing is coming in the form of a string. So now then I converted the same thing into the number. So you can see here, then after converting to number, it is coming in the blue color. So it is telling me the particular number you have converted to the number. So now the data type will be what? It will be the type number, because I am changing the value from the variable here. So if you just directly try to print a type of number in this particular fashion itself, it will be giving you the not a number. Okay. So for that particular purpose, you need to first you need to assign the value by using a operator. You need to use an operator, then you need to change the original variable value. So at that time you can able to see the thing is coming in the 1 2 3 as well as a number. So this is how we have done over here also. The array we have initialized like this, then again I am reinitializing the array to string value. So that everything I am just converting typecasting into a string, then I am just try to printing like that. Suppose in the same thing, if I have something like, so this is about the stuff. Suppose I'll just give one more variable. So I'll just tell that my num1 is equal to, suppose I want to have something 1 2 3, even I have some ABCE value also. So now if I try to convert this particular value inside a, suppose I want to convert this thing inside a number value. Let's see whether I can do it or not. So let's tell console.log. So I'll just print first is I'll just tell my number over here, my num number. So if I just convert, first thing I'll just convert this thing inside a number value. So I'll just tell convert this to number. So first convert this particular value into the number. If I try to do this one, you can see it is telling me not a number, because it has a number as well as it has a alphabet. So if it has two the things, so it is telling me like it is not a number. So don't try to do like this. So this is how we can do it with the, that you can just show the not a number. It is telling me it is not a number. So we have one more concepts in the thing. If I just tell that I is equal to, if I just tell 102 value, something like this. So if I just tell console.log, so let's tell console.log. So I want to just convert I to string. I have a concept of to string, string to string also. So I have this particular function also. If I just make it, we can see 102, the number has been converted into what? To string value. If I try to print the type of it, it will be giving me the string value itself. So even you can just do particular stuff like that also. So if I try to print like this one, if I just tell what is the type of I, if I just see what is the type of I, you can see it is giving the number, but it is not changing the actual. If you want to change into the actual, again you need to give I is equal to like that. If I want to give I is equal to, so again same thing, I need to just pass like this. So convert the I value to string. So if I just tell I to string, if I just save like this, so now see it will be giving the string value. So it is like a same string itself. So then what I can do here is, so this we have seen about the things like how to convert the particular array into the string. Even I can convert the particular array into the number also. Same thing, if I want to do it like it, I'll just control S. So here I'll just name it as a number. So I'll just tell number. So if I try to print what is the type of it, you can see first it will be giving a string, then you can see it is giving in the number value. So type it is giving as a number, type it is giving as a number, but the particular value it cannot convert into the number value, because it is a 1 2, even the comma is also there, even the braces also is there. It is not understanding what is this one. So it is not able to convert the particular string into the number value. So because of that, it is not converting into the number. Okay, so this is how the type conversions will happen inside this one. So now let's see some of the one more concepts, like we'll see about the inbuilt function. Like we have a to fixed and a parse float. So first we'll see about the parse float. I'll just tell my number1 is equal to, so I want to use a parse float, so I'll just tell use a parse float. So I'll just give some values, 4 5 7 8 9 2, something like this. So I have this particular value parse float. I'm just converting into the parse float the particular string value. So then what I'm doing here is, so then what I'll just tell console.log. So I'll just use the console.log function. First I'll just try to print the my number value over here. So now if I just see what is the type of my number, obviously you know the output, it will be giving, it is telling my number1 has been already been declared. So I'll just comment out everything from here. So now I'll just save this one again. So now you can see it is giving the type is a number. Suppose I want to access only 25 from this particular variable. Suppose I want to access only 25. So what I can do here is I can use a concept of number that is a to fixed. So to fixed inbuilt number, I can use it. So I can just tell, so what my num1 dot, so I'll just tell to fixed. So I want to get only 5 decimal points. If I use like that, you can see I'm just getting a 5 decimal points value, and even it is doing 440 48, it is converting to the 50 value. So again, if I try to give something like, if I want to have some 50, if I just give it as a 50, so you can see it is giving the decimal point up to 50 letters or 50 characters like that. Okay, so this is how you can do, like the two fixed function you can use, even you can convert into the parse integer. So this is about the parse float. If I same thing, if I just copy it down, so now what I'll do here is, so I'll just comment this line, sorry, so I'll just comment out. So here if I just use parse int, so if I just tell parse parse, so here if I just use a parse int, so if I just try to print like this, you can see the whatever the value is there. So whatever the value is there, if I just tell the first, you can see my number I am trying to print. So then my number, if I try to print, I am just getting 449.45879 itself. It is not taking the decimal points value. So this is how we can do it for the parse int. So if you give the parse int, the decimal it doesn't take. If you give the parse float, the decimal value will be going to take this one. So this is all about the type conversion. So if I want to, if what is about the type correction here is, so basically if I try to add something, if I just try to add console.log, if I try to add string value, if I try to add number value, so you can see what I'll be getting AA12. So because it is not seeing, not understanding what is AA and 12. So because of that, it is appending the AA and 12 in a single line. So if I want to convert into a string and a number value, so I can just choose the concepts of number inbuilt function as well as a string. So by using those two concepts, I can just convert all these particular concepts into a string and a particular number. So this is all about this in video. So in the coming concept, we'll see in the next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. So just download the notes from my description. So it is a link I have given below.